All right, everyone, here we are with ticker symbol XSPA. And before I get started, I do want to state there are no emotions involved in these charts. I do not get paid to look at specific stocks. I just go off of charts and let the charts tell us what it has to say for tomorrow. So the first thing I do want to point out is this stock went through a reverse split yesterday. It closed out at 168 and it opened up at 503 this morning. So ideally, the stock that was said to be a reverse split, it is a 1 for 3. So usually when a stock is splitted, in that case, 1 for 3 is for every 3 shares that the stockholder owned, they were going to receive 1 stock. So the total amount of stocks that they own was going to be divided by 3, but the value was ideally supposed to stay the same. And the way that you can confirm that is 168 is what this stock closed at yesterday. And for every 3 stocks, they were going to get 1. So if you multiply 168 by 3, that's $5.04. They were off by 1 cent, but for the most part, the value of the stock stayed relatively close or the same. So let's go ahead and look at this chart. So the bulls definitely dominated this one in the morning, and they brought this stock up from 503 to $8. But as you could see, the bears took over this one the whole day. You don't see the bulls at all here, barely here. They try to level it out, and they were trying to create a resistance to then create a support level off of it, and it actually turned out to be a resistance level to look at during the day, and it just kept going, and then we see the bulls take off. So they definitely brought themselves back in at the end of the day, getting very bullish on that one. But the bears definitely dominated this one throughout the day. So there are some key things to look at. Even though the bulls took care of bringing this one back up, they still managed to fall at 521, 2 cents below the 50-day moving average. Is that a lot? That's not a lot. That's just a 2 cent difference. But the more this stock continues to go up, the more bullish it can be, the more the bulls are in control. And even if it was to go up, it has to pass this resistance level of $5.56 because that's where it got rejected. So anything below that, it can look bullish and start to look like it's going up, but the bears can definitely take care of that and destroy it and bring it down, because it might, go over the 50-day moving average of 523. If it just stays in this area between 523 and 556, it could still look potentially bearish because this stock got rejected at 556, and that's the new resistance level that was created. So that resistance level has to be broken and turned into a support level and maintain itself up here, the stock, so it could be in full control for the bulls. Now, if this stock was to go further away from the 50-day moving average, the more bearish it will start to look. I'm not saying that if this stock was to continue down and go all the way down to $4, I would say $4. Even though it says $3.99, this is a $4 support level, in my opinion. I would just look at it based off of $4. This stock could definitely bring itself back up if the bulls rally up and try to gain control on it. The bulls are very close right now to passing the 50-day moving average. As long as they keep themselves above it, they can start to gain control. Even if this stock was to close somewhere above the 50-day moving average, it could be a really tight one to say the bulls are in full control. I would just say that they're starting to gain control. The further away this stock will go from the 50-day moving average, the more bears are in control. So some key things to pay attention to is the 556 as the resistance level, which is right where this stock was rejected earlier in the day, and the support level It says $3.99, but I'd rather just say $4. Base it off $4 for this stock. And if this resistance level is broken through, it will be the new support level and it'll be the new resistance level, and new support levels will be made. But as of right now, this one's going to be very interesting to keep a close eye on because of the fact that the Bears and the Bulls are going to be fighting for this one because they're so close to the 50-day moving average right now. The tug of war, the Bears are winning by 2 cents, but it's going to be very interesting and exciting to see how this stock plays out tomorrow. If you guys have any questions or comments, comment down below. I'd love to see your guys' feedback or any things that you guys feel about this stock. Are you feeling bullish? Are you feeling bearish? Um, and I do want to go ahead and say thank you to my viewers that have been uh, following my channel so far, thanking me for my information. And it does take me some time to go ahead and record these videos and do these chart analysis. So I really, really appreciate your guys' support and feedback. And if you learned something new, subscribe to this channel. And if you like this video, hit the like button. I look forward to seeing how this one plays out tomorrow. But just keep in mind some numbers. 521 is where it closed out. 556 is the resistance level. And $4 is the support level. We'll see how this one plays out tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching.